this is the graph given. For example, this is the graph given, and they will ask you to find the shortest path using Bellman-Ford algorithm. Okay, Bellman-Ford algorithm. So what you have to do is that you have to write all the edges in the graph. First, you have to write what are the edges. Here it is a directed graph, so you can write easily the edges. Okay, no need to bother about the weights. Okay, so just write the edges alone. So this is what the list of edges we have taken. So 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3. It means that it's a pair of vertex where it is connected. Okay, like 4 comma 6. So it is connected. 4 comma 6 is connected. 6 it is connected like that. First, what we are do is that we are going to solve this problem using uh, dynamic programming method. Okay, where how many times this algorithm will be run by n minus 1 vertices, right? That's what we told. It will run. We have to run this algorithm for n minus 1 times. N is nothing but the vertex. Okay, here we have 10 edges. We are going to process each and every edge. We are going to process each and every edge. So it's a single source shortest path algorithm. Okay, fine. So we are starting from vertex 0. Okay, when it is initial, we have to update the label of or the distance of each and every vertex from 0. So initially, I am making or initializing the distance of other vertices as infinity. Why? Because I don't know the distance of the vertices, remaining vertices. Okay, initially I'm telling. So what I'm doing first, I have to remove one by one edges from the list of edges. So what is the first edge? 1 comma 2. Okay, 1 comma 2. What is 1 is connected? It is a directed one, right? 1 comma 2. So it is the cost is 6, and the distance of 1 is 0. So 0 plus 6 is what? 6, which is lesser than infinity. So what I have to do? I have to update it. I have to update the infinity as 6. Now the distance of 2 from vertex 1 is 6. Fine. Next, I have to remove next edge. I mean the second edge from the list of edges. It is 1 comma 3. Okay. So 1 comma 3 is what? It is 0 plus 5. Okay. The distance of 1 is 0, and the cost of edge between 1 and 3 is 5. So and you have to total it. So it is become 5. So 5 is greater or lesser than this value, the label of the distance of 3. Yes, it is lesser. So I have to update it. Okay. Next, I am removing 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4 is what? This one. So 0 plus 5. So already it was infinity. I am making it as 5. Fine. Next, I am removing. You have to first whatever the order you have written, in that order you process it. Okay. It is 2 comma 5. So 2 and 5 is a pair of vertex. Okay. So the distance of 2 is 6. The distance of 2 is 6. Okay. And the cost of edge between 2 and 5 is minus 1. So 6 minus 1 is 5. So I have to compare with the infinity. I mean the value of the distance of 5. So it is greater. So it is 5. Fine. Next, I am removing 3 comma 2. So 3 comma 2 is that what? Where is this one? This path. So the distance of 3 is from 3 is 5. It means that what? How this 5 comes? So we are considering that we are going to reach from vertex 1 to all other vertexes. When I take 3, when I say 3 comma 5, 3 comma 2, it means that to reach 3 from vertex 0, to reach 3 from vertex 0, it is 5. That's what is meaning, like that. It is a meaning. Okay, so 3 comma 2. So 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 is what? 3. Okay, so but it is greater. So I have to update it. So 6 is greater. So I have to update the value. So it is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. So now the label of 2, or the distance of 2 from vertex 0 is, right now it is 3. Okay, fine. Next I have to remove 3 comma 5. I have to process the edge 3 comma 5. 3 comma 5, this is the edge. Okay. So what is the 5 plus 1? 6. Okay. So when I compare, no, it is smaller. It's better one. It's a better choice. Okay. So no need to update. So 5 plus 1. 6. Okay, 6 is greater than the 5 already existing value. It is, so let it be as it is. It is a better choice. So okay. Next I will remove 4 comma 3. 4 comma 3. Where is the 4 from this one? Okay. You take 4 comma 3. So 5 minus 2. It is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. So it already was 5. So I make it as 3. Okay. So this is better choice. So this is the path where I can reach from 1 to 3. I can go via node 4. So to reach 3, I can, instead of going directly to 1 from 3, I can go via 1, 4, 3. That is the best choice right now. This is the right now condition. This is the current condition. The value may changes. Okay. Still we have 5 more times there. We are doing the first pass only. Means the first time only we are performing. Okay. Why? What is the reason that we have to do n minus 1 times? Okay. Next 5 comma 7. So 5 comma 7 is 1. Okay. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So infinity is there. So we can make it as 8. The 8 is lesser than infinity. Then 6 comma 7. So 6 comma 7 is just what? 6 comma 7. Have we left any? 4 comma 6 is left. At 4 comma 6 we didn't complete. We didn't do this 4 comma 6. Okay. Earlier 4 comma 3 we done. Then we missed, I think, 4 comma 6 also. Yes. 4 comma 6. Yes. 4 comma 6 is what? First we'll complete this one. Okay, I left this one. 4 comma 6. 5 minus 1. So it is 4. So we have to do in order. Okay. 4 comma 3 is 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay. 4 comma 6 is 5 minus 1 4. Then 5 comma 7. 5 plus 3 it is 8. Okay, fine. Next is 6 comma 7. So now the distance of 6 is from 0 is 4. Okay. So 4 plus distance of 6 plus the cost of edge between 6 and 7 is 3. So 4 plus 3 7. So when I comparing, okay. So what is the current value is better choice. So we are updating this. So we have completed the first time. Okay, there may be other better choices also. So we have to do until what n minus 1 times. So next what will I do? I will do the second time processing of the edges. Let me do it. Okay. So what is the second choice? Again, I have to remove the each and every edges from the list of edges. So first, what is 1? 1 comma 2. So when I take 1 comma 2, it is 0 plus 6. Okay, 0 plus 6. No, already it is 3. So leave as it is. Leave as it is. no change. Over. Next 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3 is what 5. 5 is greater than 3. Okay, no change. 1 comma 4, no change. So it is 5 only, same as it is. 1 comma 5 it is same as it is. Leave it, no change in that. Next 2 comma 5. I am taking 2 comma 5. So it is now the distance of 2 is 3 and the cost is -1. So 3 minus 1 2. So I have to update it. It was 5. So I have to update it as 2. Okay. Next 3 comma 2. That is 3 comma 2. This one. So 3 comma 2 is that 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is what? 1. So, but earlier it was 3. So I will update it as 1. Okay. Then 3 comma 5. 3 comma 5, what is 3 plus 1 4. So no need to change this one, leave it as it is. 4 comma 3. 4 comma 3. Yes, this one it was 5. 5 minus 2, it is same as it is. 3, no change. Then 4 comma 6. 4 comma 6 is what? 5 minus 1 4, same as it is, no change in that. Next 5 comma 7. 5 comma 7, when I take 5 comma 7, so the distance of 5 is 2 plus cost is 3. So 2 plus 3 5, but it was 7. The distance is 7, so I can update it. It means that I can choose this path. Okay, 2 and 3 is what? 5. So now it is 5. Next is what? 6 comma 7. So 6 comma 7 is what? 4 plus 3 7. So I should not update it. So 7 is greater than 5, so I will leave it as it is. So 2 times we have completed. Okay. So like that you have to do for 6 times. Next you will perform for a third time also. What is the thing we will get? Again 1 comma 2. When you take 1 comma 2, what happens? So same as it is, because no change. It was 1 now. Actually it is 1, so no change. 1 comma 3. You take 1 comma 3, no change. 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4, no change. Or 2 comma 5. 2 comma 5. Okay. So 1 minus 1, it is 0. 2 comma 5 is 0. So I will update 2 as 0. Now the value of distance of 5 is 0. Next I will take 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2 is what? This one. So 3 comma 3 minus 2 is 1. So it is same. So both are equal. Let it be 1. So 3 comma 5. 3 comma 5 is what? 3 plus 1 4. So let it be as it is, because it is greater. 3 plus 1 4. So see, each and nothing but what we are doing, we are relaxing the vertices. Whatever the operation we are doing right now, comparing is nothing but the relaxing the vertex. So 3 comma 5 over. Next 4 comma 3. So 4 comma 3 is what? 5 minus 2, as it is, no change. Next 4 comma 6. And I do, what happens? 4 comma 6, 5 minus 1 4, same as it is, no change. 5 comma 7, no change, I think so. It may change, yeah. 5 comma 7, what happens? 5 comma 7, it is 0. Now it is 3. So 0 plus 3, it is 3. Okay. Next 6 comma 7. 6 comma 7 is that what? It was 4. 4 plus 3 7. So I cannot update it. I will leave it as it is. So when I perform the fourth time, okay, so I will keep on doing. It may the value changes may stop at one time also. Like in the third time it may stop, or fourth time it may stop. Even if you perform the 4, 5, 6 time, fifth time or sixth time, it will remain unchanged. It will remain same. Okay, but we are doing manually. If you are doing running the coding, we are writing a coding for this. That algorithm will run for 6 times. But since we are doing manually, Okay, we can stop at particular stage that it is not, the value is not changing. So what we concluding at one stage, for example, we let us consider that at one stage it is not changing, the value is not changing, the value is not changing. So what is the value for this? What is the distance for this? When I take 1, when I take 1, it is 0. When I take 2, okay, I consider that the value is not changing after the third time, fourth time, fifth time. So I will stop now. Okay. For the edge, for the vertex 2, the distance is 1. For the edge, sorry, for the vertex 3, for the vertex 3, the what the distance is 3. For the vertex 4, the distance is 5. For the vertex 5, the distance is, what is 5? 0. For the vertex 6, for the vertex 6, the value is what? 4. For the vertex 6, it is 4. For vertex 7, it is, for the vertex 4, 7 it is 3. Okay. So these are the distance from vertex 1. Okay. So we can conclude that these are the shortest path to reach all these nodes. Right? You have any doubt in this? In the chat window, you have any doubt in this? So let it be like if you are telling that it is 0, finally you are telling that for example the node vertex 5 is having the distance as 0. It means that like it is a minimum distance. We are not bothering about the weight, actual weight. No, we are taking some unknown weight, like it may be some unit. It means that this is the shortest path to reach from vertex 1. We have taken only one vertex. Okay, that is the node 1.